So, have you recently been seeing Teslas everywhere? Like everywhere? Exactly. Then you look at gas prices, you almost cry, and then you see them all piled up charging their little cars, and then you actually start crying. Well, I'm sick of it. I love Teslas, but I have a race car. The closest I can get my car to a Tesla is installing the good old famous Tesla screen. But first, we gotta go get one. I am about to blow your mind. So when I say that I literally have the best followers, subscribers, family members on YouTube, I don't say that to be cool with you guys, to be nice. I say it because genuinely, check this out. Someone drew Brittany. The level of detail. You guys can screenshot this. This looks so sick! Even in carbon fiber? Yo, this is nice. Wow. This thing is huge. Look at the size of my hand. Remember, I'm a 6'7" absolute monster of a person. Look at this compared to my hand. You know what I'm gonna be able to do? Subscribe to the YouTube channel. This thing is so insane. Yes, sir. Oh, I'm happy. I'm so happy. Got the nice little manual here, which we are most likely going to be looking at. And yes, this works with navigation systems like my car, which is absolutely amazing because a lot of these screens you have to convert to non-navigation to be able to put this on. This actually works with every 370Z from 09 to 2021. Let's go. Few specs: it does have Apple CarPlay, 8 gigs of RAM. It is wireless CarPlay, 8 cores, 256 gigs. If there are any other like stats or nerdy things that you guys want to know about, I'm probably gonna put it up on the screen. We obviously have all the wiring that we have to do. There, I can also see some SD card slots. Let's look at the back of it actually. Be careful, put it to the back. I also love that it's carbon fiber, by the way. That's a really neat thing they did for me. I guess here, back here, we have like the whole system. Nissan right there. Qualcomm CPU. Right here we have the power button for the AC. So basically you control the AC through here, I believe, but you can also control it through the system itself. Obviously I know a lot of you guys are gonna want to get this for your car, so I'm gonna leave the link in the description with a really cool discount code up on the screen right now, so go ahead and check it out. Oh, I'm so excited. And I forgot to mention, it is created by Nifty City. You guys know my previous unit was also from Nifty City, so I know their quality. It's gonna be top notch. There's legit a whole wiring nest in here. We're getting rid of all that, don't worry. Oh, hold up. If you're new here, you like Teslas, you like cars, you like being entertained, I highly suggest you smash that subscribe button and let me know down below. Do you like that the cars are going electric or do you not? Speak your truth. I know a lot of people have pent up emotion about this whole movement. Let me know. Comment below. Go off. Okay, got him. Oh my god. Look at me looking at the manual. What a loser. Oh, so they actually do give you like little slots in case you want to put an SD card, micro SD, bigger SD or whatever for more capacity in here. That's pretty cool. Okay, so that's how all these things are looking. Another thing though, we have to take this little white box out because we're actually gonna use this for the AC. I believe it's for the Bose, but I guess we're just gonna convert it into an AC control. I don't know how that works. This right here is also for your SIM card, so in case you guys want to put like a SIM card in here and be able to talk on the phone wherever, whenever. Pretty cool. Oh, I forgot that pink one right here. It's for the mic. Bam. Subscribe to Dan as they're having a full-on party back there. Can you guys hear that? It's bad. So subscribe if you haven't already. Tell me how it's raining, but it's still hotter than the devil's butt. Look at this. Wouldn't be Florida without a good old rain. Like I said, you are gonna need the little white box, so that goes connected to the biggest connector out here. Dude, I love the carbon on this. Also, I still don't know if it works, so we still gotta turn it on. But of course, before we tie anything down, I wanna show you guys what goes where. BYD's 806 was a very important one. This one goes connected to the one that comes out of the side. Also remember this for the 2009 or just in general navigation systems. This plug up here goes unplugged, doesn't matter. This one I think also goes unplugged. And another thing, they give you this little ground. Some systems do have to get grounded from this, but I realized my system I didn't really have to ground it, so that's pretty awesome. WYD 806, another big one, goes connected to the one that comes out of the right side. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, the plugs go connected to where they're supposed to be connected. All right, let me close the windows. Oh, do I not have the keys? What's happening? I need the keys. Oh my gosh, I left the keys outside. All right, now for the question of the year, will the system work or will it not work? I think I plugged everything correctly. Also, huge shout out to them, Nifty City, huge help for this project, freaking amazing. Yes! Oh man, let's go. It works. It works. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love the interface, the touchscreen as well. So clean. Look at this. So clean. Clock 2:19 a.m. Okay, everything looks absolutely fire. So I'm gonna go ahead. Before I connect my phone or anything, I'm gonna turn the car off. Let's start putting all the pieces back in place. Oh, this is dope. Let's go. Woo! Nothing can stop me. We ain't a Tesla. Ain't a Tesla. Okay, so I made a mistake. When you take this off right here, before you put the bolts and nuts back to the AC vent, you actually have to connect the AC vent to this as well. So up here you can see it. So we gotta connect it right up here in those holes right there, one in the middle. By the way, I put my microphone here. The padding that goes here should keep the cable away from my legs, and whenever I turn the steering wheel, I mean, we'll see. I think I have enough slack so it doesn't just pop off, but I think this is a pretty good spot. This is a GPS active antenna, so I think this, obviously I'm gonna put it somewhere up there, which now that I think about it, I should have put this through the back and then for it to come up back out here. Rip. The USB port, it's around the shifter and right down here. Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. City boy! City boy, city boy, city boy! let's drive around with a GoPro. I put the map like this because I'm not trying to have you brodies show up to the Casa Daniseta. Have y'all seen the Google Maps guy on TikTok? My dude knows every single place in the planet.
Dying your true love. No hard feelings, but these feelings harder. No.
Oh, is that a 370Z? With a Tesla screen, dog? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Radio frequency fields at this site may exceed FCC rules for human exposure. All right, I think this is my last video, so please subscribe and leave a like, because this thing just went to another level. Things you can also obviously send messages. Oh, here it even shows the charge of my phone. That's so cool. You can obviously send messages, bunch of contacts here. Said you can have all these apps, but you need a SIM card so you can have internet. Or you could, I want to see if I can share Wi-Fi from my phone to here. Let's go on personal hotspot, turn it on. Oh my gosh, I can. Password. Oh, we're actually on YouTube right now. What? What? We're watching YouTube right now. This is insane. Wow, this is insane. You can put music, radio, navigation, everything. Everything. There we go. That's where AC is. Also shows you the car. I'm sorry if it's kind of bad. I'm probably gonna make another like little video at night so you guys can see better, but okay, with that being said, we're ending it off right here. Honestly, top 5, one of my favorite installs I've ever done. It's a freaking Tesla screen in a Z. It doesn't make any sense. It really doesn't, but I'm happy with it. It just makes the interior look incredible. Now all I gotta do is fix the dash, which I don't know if I said it, but I will be doing that. And yeah, now every time I'm on the road and I see a Tesla, I can go and they're gonna be like, yo, I didn't know he was chill like that. This is for the real ones that stay to the end. I got you. Sheesh. All right, we're gonna end it off. I love you guys. Peace. Tesla screen in the Z. Oof. Hold up. For real, right?